This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jessica Eckhart. Welcome home. Open house Sunday, May 28, 2023, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. This semi-open floor plan condominium is situated in the well-maintained, friendly community of Greywood Crossing. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a separate laundry room. Lawn maintenance and exterior is managed per HOA. Don't miss your opportunity to own this one. Recent improvements: HVAC serviced, complete pressure washing, pest control and deep clean. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessica Eckhart at 865-693-1111.